My name's Jillian Kindlund. I've been an attorney since 1988. I focus on bankruptcy law, loan modification, and debt resolution. And I've been focusing on those practice areas since 1988. I practice in the District of Columbia and the entire state of Maryland. I have a passion to help people save their homes and provide them with a fresh start. So that led me to bankruptcy, loan modification, and debt resolution. And that enables me to help people file either Chapter 7 and get a discharge for all of their debts, or Chapter 13, which provides for a repayment plan for their taxes or their home arrears. After law school, there was an attorney that had an opening, and he specialized in bankruptcy, and I just loved it. And he was my mentor for many years. I support the Humane Society and the American Cancer Society. I'm a 6-year cancer survivor. You should hire me because I'm going to listen to your story. I'm going to listen to your hardship. I'm going to walk alongside of you. I am not going to stop until we resolve your issues. I've had hardships of my own, and I care about what has happened to you, and I care about my clients.